Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you're looking to use Facebook in a way that consumes less battery on your device or strain your eyes less at night, you should enable the social media platform's dark mode like this. Here's in this video, I will show you how to enable or turn off your dark mode on Facebook like this. So first of all, I will show you. First of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. My Facebook account is already on the dark mode, but I will show you how to change it. You can go to your, you can tap on your profile here on the three lines over here. Tap on the settings and privacy. You will see there is an option dark mode. You can tap on that. Here's I'm using system settings. So when my device is on the dark mode, the Facebook will be on the dark mode. But if I change my system, my phone to light mode, it will turn on to light mode. But if you want to use your Facebook for always on the dark mode, you can just tap on here. So as you can see, my phone is on light mode, but my Facebook account is on the dark mode like this. So simple, right? To turn on your dark mode on Facebook so you can use less data on your, less battery on your Facebook. So that is how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.